In this quick video, I'll show you how you can use Google Maps offline, because maybe you're going on holiday, you're not going to have any data, and you still want to use Google Maps to navigate around a country or a specific area, right? So what you need to do is go to the place that you want to download. So I'm just going to download Thailand. So go to Thailand, and you then want to go to the profile icon in the top right hand corner, then go to offline maps. Now here what you can do, you can select your own map, so click on that. And it's going to give you a rectangle, and everything in this rectangle is then going to be downloaded. Now you can zoom in and out and obviously download the place that you want to download, right? Now the thing is, if you want to download a whole country, it's going to take up a lot of data. So maybe you just want to download Bangkok. Let's say you're going on holiday in Bangkok and you just want to download the whole of Bangkok to be sure. So what you can do, you can zoom into the area you want to download. So I'm going to download everything in this area, and it's going to take up 310 megabytes. You can then click on download, and it will then start to download that area of Bangkok, right? Now, I've already got this downloaded, so you can see Nonthaburi is downloaded. So if you want to view that, just click on it, and you can obviously update this. But now you've got this section of Bangkok downloaded. You can just use this like usual. You can navigate without internet, and it will work as long as you're in this area that you've downloaded. So that's how you can download an area on Google Maps and use it while you're offline.